Welcome to Electronic Learning Management System of Central University of Haryana. I'm your co-learner, Dr. Bharti Batra, Assistant Professor, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Central University of Haryana. Stay home, stay safe, stay studying. So let us continue our studies. Let us today discuss about public relations, Jan Sampark. It is a very important aspect of mass communication, or you may say it is a very important branch of mass communication. In journalism and mass communication, usually we think it is limited to news or stories, etc. But actually, this is a very vast field. Mass communication refers to communicating with masses at a simultaneous time through some mediated technology. Means जनसंचार, एक ही समय में एक सूचना को एक साथ बहुत से लोगों तक पहुंचाने का विज्ञान, कला, प्रक्रिया है जनसंचार। आज हम इसकी एक महत्वपूर्ण शाखा के बारे में बात करेंगे जो है जनसंपर्क। पब्लिक रिलेशंस इज मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स, पब्लिक एंड रिलेशंस। मीन्स relations with the public. Now what is this public and what kind of relation is this? Public is all those internal and external stakeholders associated with any organization. And relation is that communication relation between the organization and its various publics. अर्थात एक संस्था के आंतरिक एवं बाह्य हितधारक जो सीधे या अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से संस्था से जुड़े हुए हैं, उनके साथ संचार के द्वारा एक संपर्क स्थापित करना। Public relations is very crucial for any organization. Though public relation as a profession developed in the very late time, but it has gained prominence very quickly. It works on making public opinion. जनमत निर्माण में जनसंपर्क का विशेष भूमिका रहती है। Let us understand public relations through some definitions. George F. Meredith defined PR as everything involved in achieving a favorable opinion. Edward L. Burney, who is also considered as father of public relations, defined public relations is the attempt by information, persuasion and adjustment to engineer public support for an activity, cause, movement or institution. Meaning thereby, जनसंपर्क सूचना, प्रभावी संचार, किसी भी प्रकार की समझौता, ताकि किसी भी एक कार्य के लिए, गतिविधि के लिए जनमत को तैयार किया जा सके। कैसे? सूचनाओं के द्वारा, बाय कम्युनिकेटिंग। द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक रिलेशंस यूके डिफाइंड PR as public relations practice as deliberate, planned and sustained effort to establish mutual understanding between an organization and public. Understanding these definitions, we come to a conclusion that there are some keywords in public relations, like public relations is a two-way communication, दो तरफा संचार है। एक तो जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपनी पब्लिक से जो कुछ कहना चाहती है, और दूसरा what the public wants to submit to the organization as feedback, जनमत के रूप में। Public relations is about creating communication bridge between the organization and its various stakeholders, मतलब संस्था और इसके जो भिन्न भिन्न पब्लिक्स हैं उनके बीच में एक संचार के पुल के तरीके से काम करती है। Through that bridge, the communication could be exchanged between various publics of the organization and the organization. Public relations aims at creating mutual understanding between the organization and its various publics. Public relations is a planned and continuous communication. ये कोई ऐसा संचार नहीं है कि you only need to one time. It is a sustained effort to keep on communicating with your public. Public relations is a persuasive communication to create desired influence. एक प्रकार का indirect communication है which aims to create a influence on public's minds to get desired influence. Okay, so now let us understand what are publics in PR. We discussed that all the internal and external stakeholders of an organization comprise of the publics for any organization. So what are these internal public and external public? Let me explain this with the help of an example. Suppose Reliance is a company. Okay, so all the employees at various levels, executive managers, chief managers, board of directors, etc., and labor workers, its distributors, and HR manager, etc. These will be its internal public, and surrounding community, prospective customers, investors, debtors, creditors, government, media, external like international prospective customers, company, buyers, etc. all are its external public. A company needs to balance communication between internal as well as external public. So a company employs various communication activities to maintain a sustained communication, continuous communication between its internal publics who are working there in the organization or are directly connected with the organization and with the external publics. So a company continuously tries communication efforts. Somewhere it is also referred as corporate communication, marketing, etc. But that are different aspects. Public relations is a wider term. Marketing, corporate communication, advertising, all those are covered in this umbrella term of public relations. So public relations is maintaining the organization's communication with all of its internal public as well as external public. What kind of communication? About the company's regular activities, any new decisions or some motivational communication, some kind of communication to keep everyone connected, to maintain a connected environment for the organization. Why all this is done? All this is done to create a goodwill of the company, good image of the company. In any company, any brand, goodwill is very important. Your product may be highly qualitative, but if your name is not good in the market, nobody is going to purchase your product. Let us conclude it. Public relations is a deliberate function of establishing and sustaining two-way communication between organization and its various public for creating a mutual understanding. This mutual understanding will ultimately benefit the company to get the desired influence. जनसंपर्क से अभिप्राय है किसी भी संस्था के द्वारा वे सभी संचार गतिविधियां जो कि उसकी अंतः पब्लिक और बाह्य पब्लिक, एक्सटर्नल एज वेल एज इंटरनल पब्लिक को एक साथ जोड़े रखे, कंपनी की अच्छी छवि बनाए, एटसेट्रा. Not only about communication, PR has much wider functions. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the functions of public relations. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay study.